Okay, guys. Hello, everybody. So today it's a bonus stream. The bonus stream, I'm gonna show you how do I use Claude Code. Claude Code for streaming, for editing my streams. So what I'm doing is I do streams. I record streams, and each stream I automatically convert into highlight video for my YouTube channel. It's like 10-15 minutes video with highlights from the stream, and also the shorts videos for TikTok and YouTube. And I'm doing it with AI. I don't edit it myself, and I show you how do I do it, and I show you how do I improve this process. So this is my AI agent for streaming, and let me show you the process. So today I'm going to show you the current process. I'm going to show you how do I improve my pipeline process, what tools do I use for it, and we will do one stream. We will edit one stream as an example what's going on there. So this is a pipeline. So the stream records locally via OBS. Lately, after that, we use Whisper to transcript my audio into the text. After that, AI picks the moments from the street for highlights. And rule, I always show you the proposed picks as timestamps with full verbatim text and wait for your approval before building anything. That's because I want to make sure I like the highlights. So, and if I don't like it, I just fix it. After that, two entities is one of the long highlight video, and another one is vertical shorts. This is automatically it creates subtitles automatically. Some technical things, and after that it's auto-publishing on my YouTube. So I literally don't upload the video myself. I just integrated it with my AI, so it automatically published video there, and it scheduled the video there for next days. And this is some of the ideas we have. It's two ways how do I improve this process. I'll show you both of them. First one is I just ask it to do research via GitHub and via internet about the skills and about Claude Code techniques for video editing, and ask it what can we use for our pipeline. Let me show you. Okay, do research on GitHub and internet and find state-of-the-art ideas and techniques for video editing in Claude Code, which can be useful for us. That's the first tool I'm using. And so just wait. Another one, so okay, in the same time, let me show you one of my ideas I want to show you. So I recently found this short video. It's on Russian, but it doesn't really make sense. So it doesn't really make a difference. So what I want to take from this short is the subtitles.
Ну да, это самое крутое, там якобы 3 очка. Если ты попадаешь в плечо, 2 очка, и если попадаешь в шлем, 1 очко.
Наоборот.
И насколько я знаю...
I like the font and I like the color for the word. And so I want to reuse it, and let's try to just reuse it. I like the font and the color of subtitles on this in this short. Can you analyze it and reuse it in our pipeline? Let's discuss it before you actually build anything. Okay, so yeah, this one is working, this we're analyzing, and let's run another one. I'll show you the second tool I'm using. So what I'm doing, I'm just enter the YouTube and I'm Claude video editing, and I'm just pick the
so
top
Claude
video.
Code just made you. So in episode 9, there was really.
I'm just pick the top videos. I copy the link. I go back to my Claude, and so it's already a skill which allows Claude to get a YouTube video and take the text from the YouTube video. So I don't even need to watch this video anymore. I just send the link to my Claude, and I taught it to how to get subtitles from it. So I just send link here and ask it analyze video, this video, and is it anything useful for our pipeline? Guys, so imagine how much time did we already save? Like 15 minutes, half an hour, another 20 minutes. Such a cool thing. And I don't even need to think much about how can I imply to our pipeline, blah, blah, blah. It does it for me. Super cool. Okay, new session. Okay, let's do highlight and shorts with my stream about bot certificate. So yesterday I completed the video about like bonus stream about how am I using Claude Code for bot certification. So my friend bought a boat, and I want to be able to drive this boat, to operate this boat. So that's why I need California bot certificate or wherever. And I use Claude Code to automate the process of registering there and do all the preparations. And so I saved the record of the stream, the video, and this thing should now, it will do the whole process. So at the beginning, it just take the video of my stream, the whole stream, 45 minutes or something. The current transcript is from different script standards, transition, blah, 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 blah. It will take about 9 minutes. Okay, it will be much shorter. And so I will show the whole process. So at the beginning, it's just a raw video of stream. 45 something minutes, and let's see what's going to be in the end. At the end, I wanted to make a highlight video, like highlight video for a long highlight video, maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes, with the timelines, timestamps, and I will check it, and it will upload to YouTube automatically. And also it will prepare ideas for short videos from the stream, and it will automatically change the scene. So at the upper part of the screen is going to be my face, the webcam, and the downside is going to be the Claude code window. And it will also create the subtitles for this short video, and it will automatically upload it to YouTube. So the whole process, just with my verifications at the key moments, and our content factory is ready to go, which is really, really cool. And voila! In a couple of seconds, it's going to be uploaded to my YouTube channel without me doing anything. How cool is this? I think it's pretty cool. Yes. Sometimes these things can be done quicker by yourself, right? But in most of the cases, it's time saving for you. And the more experience you get with these automations, the easier and easier it will become to automate the other processes, and the more and more experience you become in automate different processes. So with every try next, it will be easier and easier, and eventually the time saving here. Okay, it uploaded it. Let's check it. This is my YouTube channel. Refresh. Uploading. And short is here. Awesome. Okay, let me show you the